Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today, I know y'all missed me. I missed y'all too. But today, you guys, we're gonna get into this amazing, delicious soup that I made the other day. It's called chicken lime soup. Few ingredients. It's similar to taco soup, but not really. Before we do that, I'm gonna show you guys this amazing knife set from Koosh System. Baby! Alright, so this is the CS Koosh System. I've done a review on this company before, and so you guys can check that out. That's where I got the pot set that you guys love oh so much. This is the block that you're going to put your knives in, and I love it so much because it's good quality. I love the color, and it blends with my kitchen. So I like how it looks right on top of my counter, and it's probably my favorite part of the set. Of course, you're going to have your kitchen shears. You can cut whatever with that. This is the bread knife. And this is actually a 9-piece knife set. And this is the carving knife right here. Is this the carving knife? Yes, this is the carving knife. And I just love it. It's cute. It's the color and, you know, the comfortability of it. I just really like it. This is the chef knife. I'm obsessed with the chef knife, and I'm going to show you guys how I use that as well. So, you know, if you want to cop it, check it out, click the link below and let me know what you think. So now let's get into this soup. We're going to make this chicken lime soup. I have carrots, celery, onion, lime, cilantro, chicken broth, salt, pepper, Mrs. Dash, and some chicken tenders. So right here, I'm going to be cutting up my chicken tenders with the kitchen shears that came into the knife set. Again, you guys, I just moved, so it's going to be an echo in my voiceovers as well as when I was talking earlier. So I do apologize, but I'm going to get it together really, really soon. Alright, so once you get that nice and cut up, you want to then season it. Make sure you wash your hands and wash your chicken. Make sure your hands are always clean when you're touching your spices. And of course, I always tell y'all, season until your ancestors tell you to stop. If it don't change color, you didn't add enough, okay? Nothing changed, alright? We on the same type of time. So I'm going to use the chef knife from the set to cut up my celery. I use the ends for like chicken stock, homemade chicken stock, or anything like that, vegetable hash. So that's why I chopped that part off. So I'm just going to cut this into small bite-sized pieces. However, this is your soup. You can cut it however you want to. And just to speak a little bit more about the knife, it's very comfortable to use. They're actually sharp. This is me using the knife straight out the package. After I washed it straight out the package, I did not sharpen this knife, and they were all sharp. They're very sharp. I'm gonna chop up my carrots, same bite-sized pieces. Y'all, this soup was so good. My husband killed this soup, and I killed the soup. I ate a whole bowl of this soup. It was so delicious. Next, I'm gonna cut my onion, which is not my favorite vegetable to cut. But as you see, the knife is gliding right through there, and you want these to be small pieces as well. Make sure you tuck your finger back so you don't get cut. Okay, and this is pretty much it. I'm going to chop up my cilantro and my lime, and then we're going to get into it. Do y'all see how nice and thin that is with no effort? So to my pot, I'm going to add some coconut oil. You can use any fat you prefer. I had coconut oil, so that's why I used it. I'm then going to sear my chicken. You don't need a dark sear. You just want to get a cute sear. You just want to make her a little brown, make her cute, so she can be cute in your soup, okay? Also, to be honest, the darker you sear your chicken, the more dark the soup will be, and you want that nice amber color, which we're gonna accomplish anyway. So next, after I remove the chicken, I add the carrots, celery, onion. I'm gonna season it with the Mrs. Dash. As you notice, I didn't add any salt because I wanna wait to see if I need it after I add everything else. However, you can season your soup however you want to. Add your entire carton of chicken broth just like this, and I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 15 minutes. So to top off the soup, I'm going to use these delicious blue corn tortilla chips that I got from the Kroger supermarket. However, you already know how this goes. Use your favorite chip. I also have some pepper jack cheese here. So now I'm going to use this knife from the set, and I'm going to cut right through here. Yes, right through the paper and all. I sure did. I know somebody's going to talk about me, but listen, it is what it is. Cut just like butter. Everything's sanitized. Everything's washed up. Everything's clean. So now I'm just going to grate my cheese just like this. Just getting everything nice and prepped and ready to go. So once the carrots are nice and tender, I'm going to add my tomato and chilies. I forgot to mention that in the beginning of the video, but everything will be in my description box down below. Also add your chicken, and then you're going to cover this and cook it another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to add your cilantro and your lime juice from 1 entire lime or 2 tablespoons. This lime was actually juicy, so 1 lime was enough for me. You may need 2 limes to get the 2 to 3 tablespoons so your soup can have that tang. Next, I'm just going to stir it up. You're going to see me take a pause right there. That's when I turn the stove off. You don't want to boil the cilantro and the lime. Once you add them, mix it up, turn the stove completely off. So now I'm just going to plate it up. The soup just looks so pretty. It's hearty. It has a lot of chicken, the tomatoes, the carrots, the onions, the celery, the broth, the smell of it, the lime juice. It's so delicious. Alright, so once I top it with the cheese and the blue chips, I'm also going to put some cilantro leaves and, of course, lime. The limes that I sliced earlier. Y'all know I'm extra. I had to make it cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for being patient with me. And thank you for your support. Remember, all links will be in my description box as well as the ingredient list. And I love you guys. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.